Hey everyone, today we're going to do a little discussion about your updated Val packs. I know most of you have probably switched over already, but I want to make sure that if there's any remaining questions, we can clarify here today. So we did change our Val packs a little bit at April Market. I'm sure you guys have noticed this. So you still have your recliner Val pack. That's going to be your 8 recliners, and there's 14 fabrics in that Val pack. You still have your lift chair Val pack. There's 4 recliners now, with us discontinuing the bronze recliners, and you've got the 3 Restore Nanobionic covers in there. You'll have your leather look Val pack. So we've got a total of 11 different recliners. There's 10 sofa groups and a total of 7 of those kind of faux leather look fabrics. And then the 2 that really had the biggest changes were we took your motion sofa and the motion modular Val pack and combined those into motion sofas and sectionals. And so now there's 7 recliner chairs. You've got 4 different groups and then 18 fabrics that are part of that collection. And then your sofa, stationary sofas and your sleeper sofas, we merged those together. So you've got 9 different sofas, 6 of which are sleepers, and then 16 different fabrics that are part of that promotion. In your fabric box, you should have received this kind of checklist, and I'll attach that in the email that I send this link out in, but that's going to tell you what fabrics should be in which handle. You can use that as a checklist so that there's no extra fabrics that get put in the handles that should not be there. But this is a really good tool to be able to verify you've got the correct fabrics in the right handles. So like I said, your recliner Val pack, there's no changes on this one. So we're keeping the same 8 chairs. We're keeping the 14 fabrics that are in there. There's your list of the fabrics that are there. So again, your customer can special order different fabrics from this Val pack on any of those chairs, and it won't change your pricing on the chair. So if your chair is $8.99 on the floor, they can switch the fabric to a different cover in this handle, and it stays at that $8.99 price point. And then same thing with your leather look Val pack. These are going to be those kind of faux leathers. So you'll see you've got the new fabric Mamba in there, and then some of our best-selling leather looks. So you've got I Northwest, you'll see that I Rivers fabric, you've got Denver and Montekia, Raven's Crest, and Palance. So we've got 11 recliners total, 10 different sofa groups, and then 7 total fabric patterns. And again, they're interchangeable with no price increase. And then your lift chair Val pack. So we downsized this a little bit to the 4 chairs because we did drop that bronze recliner series. And so this is going to be in those Nanobionic Restore fabrics. So you've got the 3 covers in here. They're all the Q grade. And that's your value pricing here. Now, one thing that you will notice as we go into the rest of these groups, we have added those Restore fabrics by Nanobionic to the other Val packs. So you'll be able to upgrade your customer to those fabrics if they want that recovery story. The cost is a little bit more, so you'll see that as a separate column on your price sheets, but those are part of the other Val packs now going forward. So this is the new one that we've combined your motion sofas and your modulars into. So again, 7 sofa groups, 4 motion sectionals, and then a total of 18 different fabric patterns that are part of this. And then again, you'll see you can upgrade to your Restore fabric story in this Val pack. And then your stationary sofa and sleeper Val pack. Again, this is the new one. So big change here. We've combined the sofas and sleepers. Previously, you had a $100 increase if we were changing the cover. This is now a $0 increase Val pack. So if you have somebody looking at the Laurel and they wanted to change the cover on it to one of the other fabrics in the Val pack, it used to be that it was $100 more compared to whatever your floor price is, and now it's the same price. So you don't have that extra add-on, but you still get the great feature of that free P1. So really good value here. 9 total sofa styles, and again, 6 of those are sleepers, and then 16 different fabric patterns. You get your free P1, so you can really do a full custom story here for any of your stationary needs, whether it's sleeper or not. And then again, you do have those Restore fabrics available at that would be at an upcharge, again, because of the grade of that fabric. If you guys have questions on any of this stuff, don't be afraid to reach out. I just wanted to cover this quickly so that everyone was on the same page.